Simplify the square root of 128 over 25. Well, to simplify, we want to pull as much out of that square root radical as possible. So let's think about some perfect square factors for our numerator and denominator. And as we do this, we can separate that numerator and denominator and think of them as separate pieces, if we'd like. Our perfect square factor of 128 is 64. So let's write that as the square root of 64 times the square root of 2. In the denominator, let's leave that as the square root of 25. Now, the square root of 64 is 8 times the square root of 2. We can't clean that up any further. In the denominator, the square root of 25 is 5. So our simplified form is 8 times the square root of 2 all over 5.